Alright guys, welcome back to Half-Fast 719. I'm going to do like an unboxing, see what's in here. I think I know what's in there, but I don't exactly know what's in there. So, right now in the process of installing a mini split. I got the thing hung up on the wall just to see how it looks, where I'm mounting it. Basically, I'm mounting it up here, but in the house. And I gotta figure out how to run the hoses, how to run the lines, because as of right now, I'd have to go through the house wall, through that wall, and then that way. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. Let's unbox this. So this piece here is for the skid steer, I believe. I hope this is for the rear. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the hydraulic pump decided to work. I ended up changing the pressure sensor and pushed the bucket down and then lifted it up, and it tore all this up. So it's kind of like a French drain. Water from washing cars goes in here, goes in that tube, and goes out that way. And now it's a big mess. So, yeah, as you can see, okay, good. We have that one is here already. I just needed this one. And, yeah, the headrest. So, I gotta take all this down, all this off. Pretty much this one's just destroyed. This headliner, whatever you want to call it, things off, right? Okay. But yeah, changed the pressure sensor and it just decided to work. So let me go open that box. I think all these hopefully will screw in to wherever they gotta go. This will screw in to where, or clip in, I guess. It's got these little clips, but I want to go see what the new one looks like. But I think the problem with this one is, the reason why it keeps falling down is because it doesn't have that corner piece to hold it up. So anyway, I am cooking a, oh jeez, almost fell. Cooking a tri-tip brisket style. So anyway, let's open up this box real quick. But wife is sleeping, so I didn't want to make too much noise in the house as far as whatchamacallit. I don't even know where to start with this box. I use 2x4s, so let's start like this. Oh, sweet. Cool packaging. Awesome packaging, matter of fact. It does look like it doesn't come with anything. So, right, nothing up there, nothing over there, nothing in here. A little hole right here, but didn't do no damage in here. So we got this bad boy. Looks like we got holes for the light and clip and holes for that, and then I think you gotta cut this out for whatever that is, I think. So let me take the old one out. I'm just gonna rip it down and then transfer all the little clip things to this one and go from there. But anyway, I did do an axle on my car. That's the old axle out of the Audi. Only takes like, I don't know, maybe an hour to do an axle on the Audis. You just got to turn the wheel, undo the bolt, take the wheel and tire off, take a couple shields off, and you're good to go. So let me get this one out, figure out about all these clips and stuff, and we'll be back. All right, guys, we got it out. Let's see how flimsy this one is and how I tried to support it with some cardboard. But I think without having that corner piece, I think it's pretty much just trash. So yeah, what a mess. Oh, this is what we got. New headliner. Light is installed. Oh, jeez, I turned this off. Ouch. Oh, I didn't turn it off. Let's see. Is this light work? Nope. Turn this off. So, got a new headliner. Ended up using rib nuts and bolts in there. You do have to cut this open for the AC, because I think it's meant for not AC. So, got a new headliner in here. Looks good. Got the new back piece in there. Right there. That's the old one. It's all crappy. But yeah, I think that was the issue. Why this was falling down is because it didn't have any support in the rear. So, I think we will be good now. So, this thing's coming along pretty good. Just need to figure other stuff off. Ooh. It's tight, seal in there. And yeah, I gotta fix that, but I can't fix that until I move it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go and get off here. Yeah, this is part number right here. 714-8195. Insulation, I'm assuming. So I'm gonna tear this box apart, save the wood, trash the rest, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for this week of being off work. Hopefully, axle does not seem like it made a difference, and yeah, I don't know. Might have to see if I can get a rebuilt set or a rebuild kit, or it might just be the way the Audi is. But anyway, guys, that's it for the headliner. That's what this video is about. Sorry. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Keep being you. Later.